Hi everyone, now we are still in the second session, but for Module 6, we are going to discuss about the research methodology that applied in our research. The section goal, again, students will be able to understand the literature review, research data, sample, and methodology. And the module goal itself, we are going to focus on the research methodology. We applied 3 research methodology for this research. The first one, we tried to conduct the unit root test because this data consists of time series data. And then therefore, we applied the panel ARDL, and then we checked the robustness using the random effect model and generalized method of moments. First, the unit root test, we applied the LLC test found by Levin-Lin-Chu. It is proposed by Levin and friends. And then the LLC test is suitable for balanced panel dataset because we interpolated the data and then we have the same dataset for all countries. That's why it is balanced panel data. So here's the results of LLC unit root test. As you can see here, only the VCI has a unit root test problem in the first level, in the 0 level. But as we move forward, we try to conduct further for the first difference, and in the first difference, there is no issue of unit root test for all variables. So, as I mentioned before, cryptocurrencies return, COVID-19 pandemic indices, those are the GFI, panic index, and stock sentiment index, as well as along with the blockchain features and stock indices were stationary at level or 0 level. And the VCI was not stationary at level. Therefore, we conducted the first difference, applied and verified that all the variables were stationary at the first difference. It indicates no unit root on all variables. We found mixed stationarity on the unit root test. Therefore, ARDL was the most appropriate method for this research. You can refer to this prior research. ARDL itself stands for autoregressive distributed lag. ARDL could be applied when the underlying analyzed factors were integrated of order 0 or order 1. ARDL doesn't allow for second order stationarity. As you can see, all the variables has no unit root issues on the first difference. Therefore, ARDL can be conducted. There are 3 alternative estimators were applied, proposed by Pesseran and friends in 1999. The first is pooled mean group or PMG, the second is mean group or MG, and the third is dynamic fixed effect or DFE. This is the model for the autoregressive distributed lag or ARDL. We ask for the Hausmann test to check which estimations that is suitable for our model. So we move forward to check the robustness of the results by applying the random effect model. It was also selected based on the Hausmann test. REM is classified as generalized least square or GLS. It is an efficient estimator for robustness check. GLS estimators could enhance the robustness and improve the estimator's efficiency. And then at the second stage, we check the robustness by applying the generalized method of moments suggested by Arellano and Bond. Dynamic system GMM estimator was applied and addressed the joint endogeneity of all explanatory variables using internal instruments. It is adequate to prevent dynamic panel bias. So here we move to the quiz. When mixed stationarity was discovered, which method is the most suitable? A. LLC test, B. Random effect model, C. Autoregressive distributed lag, and D. Generalized method of moments. That is enough for our module today. Please refer to these publications and see you in the next module.